I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select an action ClinchPad. Give here ClinchPad API token. So please visit ClinchPad API token. API. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. You can add actions by checking the box. Also, here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your ClinchPad site, More, Contacts. Here you can see the data came successfully in ClinchPad. Thanks for watching.